everyone, good morning. Days are getting a lot colder. Well, the nights are getting a lot colder. And these guys' water is freezing at night and they're all thirsty. So I run the cord back up again, plugged it in, and I plugged in their heated waterer, which is frozen, but I'll add some warm water to it. Oh, look at that. I think it's already starting to unthaw from me plugging it in. My dilemma today is I'm gonna start having the heater on at night, and I'd really like to just have it on in one side. Oh, this was my dilemma the other day that I told you guys about. Only this morning I found baby gray, the little gray bantam, in the big side, and she had laid an egg. So this is the second egg she laid in there. She's perfectly happy. This one's frozen too. It will unthaw in the sun though, but it's gonna have to just go. There's no point in even having it. You gonna go have a little drink, Reba? Go have a little drink. And you know what's crazy? They have water inside that's not frozen. Hi, Dolly. You know what? I think one thing I could do is... Oh, are you coming in? Okay, fine. One thing I could do is build some more roosts in here. Like, there's lots of roost space. But if I built some more, then the bantams would even have more options of where to sleep. And in here's where I found the little egg. I took it in because it was so cute. I didn't want it to get broken. This is their inside water. Oh, it is frozen. Oh, it's slightly unthawed, but not enough for them to drink. Okay, so if I'm gonna keep it above 0 at night or at all times, then the heater can get turned on in here. Because I always have a heater in here in the winter. I don't like them to get too cold. But the bantams on the other side, they still sleep in there every night. One night, 2 of them slept up on here. And one actually slept up on there. That was great. They can do it. It's going to be much nicer and easier to have everyone together in here. That's what I'm thinking. Because I like to have that other small side for an emergency, like if someone was injured or had to go in by themselves somewhere. Or I just knock a hole in this. I really don't want to. I think like they're all getting along so good. Look at, can you see Knevil? She's molting. I came out one day and she had no feathers on her back. None. Look at her. They're all molting. They all have little porcupine new feathers coming in. Like it's this time of year that they get their winter. Not the babies. They only do it when they're after they're a year old. Next year they will. But I picked... Hey! Yeah, she shouldn't be up there anyways. Neither should you. Your feathers are getting wet. You're gonna freeze your toesies off. Get off of there. I'm gonna have to put that up on something. Okay, so do I put them all together tonight and not let them in here to roost? Because nobody's using the nesting box, but they do roost up here every night. Oh my gosh. Why can't I decide? Where could I even put more roosts in here for them? They don't even need more roosts. There's plenty. Plenty. There's their water thing. Actually, if it's above 0 in here, but I usually don't keep it above 0. I actually usually keep it at about -5. Like that's what I did last year. But if I keep it at like +1, then I don't have to come out here all day and collect their eggs in the winter. So their eggs won't freeze either, even though I put the heater right underneath there. So it keeps the boxes a little warmer. Well, I got some figuring out to do. Also, their heated water dish that's plugged in right there and everyone's drinking. Once they're all locked in this side, they should actually have it out here. Because in the winter they come out here more because it's south facing and it stays actually quite warm when it's all got the plastic all on it. I've been giving them so many worms in the day because everyone's molting. They need the protein. Like if you look close at Maple, she won't let me show you, but if you look around the base of her neck, you can see her new feathers all coming through. And Badger's got some on her back. Wow, everybody's out here just pecking at like grass. Oh, and there's little Knevil. And she's not feeling good now with all her molting, but she'll be good as new soon, all fresh. Ooh, under her wings is bald too. I just got a glimpse of that. And when I try to give her more worms, the other ones just come and take them. Where are you going, Dolly? Is everyone ready for worms? Now that you got some water to drink? Aw, there's Chili Pepper. Look at how little she is. She's so freaking cute. You're so cute. Uh-oh. Oh, she's having a drink. Oh my gosh, she's cute. I know they like this side, but really for warmth and for making sure they have unfrozen water. Oh, big girls. Hey, you know what? That's okay, Ginger. You get bullied by everybody. So it makes sense that you want to bully somebody. Martha. Come here, Martha. Mom will get you. Come here, sweetie. Oh, there's my good girl. I love you. Yes, I love you so much. Did you need to go past the big bully? There's your friends. There they are. There you go, sweetheart. Oh. They're just so happy in the mornings. They get out and they just get to go about their scratching and dust bathing and just freedom. It just makes me so happy to see them so happy. I'm a little worried about Reba. She's always sneezing. She never did get over her sneezing thing. I've really heard that these little frizzles aren't as healthy. They're not as hardy, and I've really noticed that with her. But I don't know. I'll make it as good for... That's another reason it should be a little bit warmer in the winter. She doesn't hold the heat in very good. I'm gonna have to order some more. Then they get some scratch just for something to dig and peck at. Chickies! 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 Come on, everybody! Oh, my girls. Oh, my girls. And my little boy, Figgy. Okay, come over here. Wormies! This is your protein for you older ladies that are molting. And here's some good snackies for you little girls. Get the worms, Jelly, you need them. Hey, that's only 18, I think. I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, we're missing one. Who could it be? Who the heck is it? Oh, no, I was gonna say it was Evil, but she's right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I only counted 17. Let's see who we're missing. Who's squeaking? So we're gonna have this many squeezed into that small side. It seems like too many. Yeah, it seems like too many. Why can't I think of who's missing? Evil Knevil, Ginger Dolly, Maple. What? Did I count wrong? I think they're all here. I think I counted wrong. Hey, Jelly. Your feathers are looking good, but I can see all the new ones coming still. Wow, look at you. Maple, you're getting your new ones.